What's up, guys? So it's like really early in the morning on a weekend, and I got my little brothers over here, and I just went in there and yelled for them to wake up. They wouldn't wake up, so I'm like, I come out to the shop and I'm like, how could I wake them up? I was looking for an air horn. I'm like, wait, gotta start up the Acura, hit the two-step, but that'd be a lot of work. I had to turn it around and everything. Like, wait, right here, start up the 450, put it at the door, fucking hit rev limiter. Let's do it. And I'm in flip-flops.